What's up guys? Today we're going to replace the cabin air filter in our 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord. Now this is going to be a really easy job. It's a 1 out of 5 on the ForNoobs scale. That means even my mom could do it. So let's get right into it. Okay, so our cabin air filter is going to be on the passenger side behind our glove box. So we're going to need to open this glove box, empty out anything you have inside because we're going to have to lower this glove box. The way we need to lower this glove box is pinch the two sides, and there's this little rubber holder, and by pinching the two sides the rubber is going to flex and we're going to be able to lower it. And we need to do the same thing over here on the other side too. Pinch right there. Okay, so now that's going to lower it partially, but we still have this little thing holding it in, and basically we're going to push in this direction, and now we're going to be able to fully lower the glove box. And now our cabin air filter is going to be right here. Now there's going to be two clips holding it in right there, one right there and one over here. Pinch in on these two sides and pull straight back. Now we see, wow, filthy cabin air filter. Now, unfortunately, we don't have our new one yet, but I'm going to put the part in the description below. We're going to pick up ours tomorrow. So for now, we're just going to put this dirty one back in. But you'll just slide your new one right back in, and it's just going to clip in. So we hear that clip. And then we're just going to put our glove box back by pinching the two sides in to let it catch right there, and then reinstall this side thing. Push it forward, and we're done. So that's it. We replaced the cabin air filter in the Honda Accord. Hope this video helped you. If it did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos on the Honda Accord, post a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.